So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you all how to create this wonderful crossover flyer design you can see right now on your screen using just your smartphone, not your PC. It is going to be a wonderful and at the same time an interesting class. So I encourage you to watch this video to the end because you are going to be learning a lot. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first thing first, let's change the dimension of our workspace. As usual, the width is 1023. Yes. Now let's quickly import the background of the design. So guys, this is the background of the design. Click on your good icon. Now go to relative size. Increase it. Beautiful. Now click on this. Make sure you lock the background. Now there's something I want to say, guys. Beyond the replication of this design, I believe that many of you clicked on this video because you want to learn how I was able to create this amazing flyer. You want to understand the step-by-step process behind this church flyer design. Beyond that, I'm going to be teaching you guys the principles of church flyer design. You see, over time, I've realized that in as much as some of us can create good designs using our smartphone, but then a handful of us don't understand the principles of church flyer design. This video is going to be a long video, but it's worth it because I'm going to be explaining and I'm going to be breaking down some of the principles of church flyer design. So I encourage you not to skip any part of this video because you are going to be learning a whole lot. You are going to learn so much from this tutorial video. So guys, I'm going to be using this particular flyer to illustrate some of the principles of church flyer design. This video is going to be a long video, but it's worth it because I'm going to be teaching you the principles of church flyer design. Many of you don't know the principles of church flyer design. That is why you find it difficult to create church flyer designs that look stunning and attracting. So I'm going to be taking you guys through some of the principles of church flyer design, and I encourage you to watch this tutorial video till the end. Now, the first thing I want to point out here is background. This is very important. Whenever you want to design a church flyer, the first thing you must put into consideration is the background of the church flyer you are about to create. You could see that I used a peculiar background for this design. Someone that is trying to jump over to the other side and this clock at the other side. The reason why I chose this particular background is because I want to communicate the message effectively to my target audience that this flyer is a crossover flyer design. So men looking at the background, you already know that this is a crossover service. Because of what? Because of the background is already passing the message across to my target audience. This is the first thing I want you to bear in mind whenever you want to create a church flyer design. Having said that, let's continue. Now, the next thing we need to import is the image of the man of God. So guys, this is the picture of the man of God. Yes. Beautiful. Now the next thing we need to do is for us to position the picture of the man of God. Now the second thing you must consider whenever you want to create a church flyer design is alignment. Your alignment is as important as your background. It shouldn't be downplayed. Don't take your alignment for granted. Now, for this particular design, I decided to use a center alignment because I've taken my time to study the kind of design I want to create. That was the reason why I chose a center alignment due to the posture of the man of God. So alignment matters a lot. Please don't delve into any design without you considering the kind of alignment you want to use for that design. This is the mistake a whole lot of us are making. Yes, this is the mistake that many of us have made. You just start creating, you don't consider the background, how much more the alignment. So I'm using a center alignment because of the kind of design I am working on. You can either use right, left, but for me, I chose the center alignment. So the second thing you must consider is what? Alignment. Hope you get. So place it here. Bring it down a little. This is good. Then go ahead and do what? Lock it. Wonderful. Now let's import the crossover night service write-up. So guys, this is the write-up. Click on your good icon. So place it here, increase it. This write-up needs to be bold. Now this leads me to the third thing you must consider when creating a church flyer design, which is what? Emphasis. Emphasis happens to be one of the principles of graphic design. Emphasis simply means considering the most important element in your design. So one of the most important elements in our design is what? This theme, crossover night service. And that is the reason why I am making it very bold, so that when my client gets to see the design, he doesn't need to strain his eye for him or her to know that this is a crossover design. Hope you understand. Yes. Okay, so place it here. Let's increase it a little. So how many points have I mentioned? 3 words. 3 key points that will help you whenever you are designing a church flyer. So click on copy, then delete this other one. Beautiful. And place it here. Okay, this is nice. Then click on it again. Now go to shadow. Let's make the text stand out. Enable it. Click on this plus icon. Go to color picker. I want to pick the color on this right up. Okay, beautiful. Now reduce the opacity a little. Click on your good icon. Now go to offset X, increase it. Go to offset Y, increase it. Okay, beautiful. Now go to inner shadow, enable it. No problem. Click on your plus icon. Go to color picker. Let's pick the same color we picked before. Okay, click on your good icon. Reduce the opacity again. Beautiful. Offset X, increase it. Offset Y, increase it. That's not all. Now go to color filters. Increase the brightness. Hope you can see. Then go to the contrast, increase it. Then saturation, increase it a little. This is okay. So guys, we are done editing this write-up. Yes, we are done editing it. Now the next thing we need to write is what? The date of the meeting and the time of the meeting. So go to your A icon, click on text, then click on edit. So the date is what? 31st December 2025. Okay, so bring it down and go to font. We'll be using Montserrat bold. Another thing you must put into consideration whenever you are designing a church flyer is what? Font. The kind of font you intend to use for any design is very important. Now let me break something down. The reason why you need to know the principles of church flyer design is because the principles will guide you through the design process. Do you know why? The principles of church flyer design is quite different from the principles of birthday flyer designs. This is why you must know both the principles of birthday flyer design and the principles of church flyer design. You cannot use the principles for birthday flyer designs for a church flyer. It would not work. So the kind of font you use matters a lot. Your choice of font is very important because font speaks volume. You might not know, but after you are done designing, you discover that people are not paying attention to your design because the font you used is not communicating the message clearly. In case you don't know, font affects the emotions of people. I use the bold font here because it is a serious program. If not that it is a church flyer, I might use some of these stylish fonts like 6L and other stylish fonts to create this design. But for the fact that it is a church flyer design and people are expected to pay attention to the design, I decided to use Montserrat. Not just Montserrat, but Montserrat bold. So hope you understand. Click on your grid line. take it to this end. Click on this, take it to this end too. Then remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this. Okay, now shrink this. Yes, place it here. Okay, bring it down a little. Okay, now there's something else we need to create. So we'll be creating a boss quickly. So click on shapes, increase the radius to 5, reduce it, shrink it. Okay, reduce it again, bring it down a little. So move it. Okay, so move it, reduce it. Okay, this is okay. Lesson. Okay, click on it again, go back to edit. Let's increase the radius. Okay, and reduce it a little. Okay, click on it. Now go to color, enable your color. We'll be using this particular color. In case you don't know the color code, look at the color code. I think I've taught you guys how to impute a color code into your color wheel. So copy it and then impute it. If you don't know how to do this, please go and watch some of my videos. I took my time to explain how you can impute a color code into your color wheel. So that's it. Beautiful. Now, in case you don't know how to edit an image such that the resolution of the image will be very, very sharp, I'm going to drop a video in the description of this particular video. That video explains how you can edit any image using Lightroom such that after editing it, the picture or the image is going to look beautiful. If you don't know how to edit an image professionally, do well to watch that video. It's going to help you a whole lot. Okay, now click on this, go to your AI icon, copy it, then edit it. Let's write the time of the meeting. So the time of the meeting is what? 10:30 p.m. Beautiful. So go to relative position, bring it down, and go to position. Let's move it. So place it here. Okay. Take it up a little. Now go to size, reduce the size, and go back to position, bring it down. Okay, let's see. Highlight it again, go back to position. Let's position it well. Go back again. So move it. Let's see. This is beautiful. This is wonderful. Now let's write the venue of the meeting. So highlight this again, copy, go to edit. So this is the venue. I don't know if this venue is real, but this is the venue. Hall 3. Okay. Wing C. Okay. 3rd floor. Okay. Then this. Okay. Click on your good icon. So bring it down. Reduce it. Go to size. Reduce it from here. And go to position. Then move it. Take it up a little. Okay. Now click on it again, copy it, go to edit. Now this is the last thing we're going to write. Plaza, opposite Utako Market. Then Utako Abuja. Okay. Click on your good icon, then bring it down, place it here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Now the next thing we need to import is the logo of the church. This is a fictional design, so I'll be using Koinonia logo for this design. So guys, this is the logo. So let's crop this unnecessary part out, then reduce it. Go to position, move it, place it there. Now go to relative size, reduce it. Okay, then go back to position, move it, bring it down, move it, then bring it down. Beautiful. Go to color, enable it, pick a black color. Beautiful. Highlight it again. Let's place it properly. Okay, I think this is okay. Now let's write the name of the man of God. So go to your A icon. It's Pastor Samuel. Okay, so bring it down and go to font. Now for this pastor, right up, we'll be using orthography. Then for the name, we'll be using Montserrat Gold. So reduce it a little, then break it. Go to line spacing, reduce it, yes, then move it to this side. Okay, go to size, let's reduce the size a little. Okay, this is okay. Okay, so let's add one line so that we can maintain same alignment. So click on this name, copy it, be writing Daniel. Okay, so move it and place it here. Beautiful. Now let's go and import their social media handle. So guys, this is their social media handle. Click on your good icon, bring it down, go to relative size, increase it, and place it here. Okay, place it here. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is not bad, this is good. So guys, I think I've done justice to some of the principles of church flyer design, even though there are more than 3. But I believe that you've learned something, and I'm sure that you are going to practice what I've taught you guys. Now let's quickly go and edit the image. Please, if you know that you are getting value from this tutorial video, do well to like, comment and share so that YouTube can recommend this tutorial video to other graphic designers out there. This is one of the ways you can support my channel. If you know my channel has helped you in no small way, if you know my channel has transformed your skill, do well to share, like and comment. By doing this, I'll be encouraged to create more tutorial videos. So remember to save as project and also to save as what? Image. If you want to gain access to the design resources, it is very easy. All you need to do is for you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because at interval the password to the design resources is going to pop up in the video. So I encourage you to do what? To watch the video to the end so that you can capture the password. So guys, as you can see, we're already in Snapseed. So go to tools, click on adjust, go to contrast, increase it a little. Okay, now go to clarity, increase it a little. Okay, now go to shadow, increase it. Yes, this is wonderful. So guys, we are done with this crossover flyer design. Thank you so much for watching, and at the same time, thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also like, share and comment. Do well to watch the next video that will be popping up on your screen right now. Thank you so much.